morning, class. Good morning once again. I'm Mr. Muturi, and last time we, as class 5s, we did some revision, and we reached up to number 30. But today we are going to continue from number 31. But just before we continue, I'd like somebody to tell me what you can remember. Yes, very good. That is an even number is a number that is divisible by 2 and ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is an even number. Very good. Another one? Yes, very good. That people learned about the place value and total value. Now, before we continue, we had our formula that was router. R was studying for reading. U for understanding. T for thinking. And A, it was standing for answering. You cannot answer without reading the question. You cannot answer without understanding. You cannot answer without thinking. So, all of them, they go hand in hand. Now, we continue with our revision for today. Question number 31. The fraction, number 31, the fraction 1 over 8 is called, the fraction 1 over 8 is called, classifies. This is class 4 work. Very simple question. Now, I'd like you to tell me, before we arrive to this question, you, for understanding, what is this? Very good. A half. What is this? Very good. A third. What is this? A quarter. Very good. What is that? A fifth. Very good. What is this? A sixth. Very good. What is this? A seventh. Very good. What is this? An eighth. What is this? A ninth. Now, in our case, we have already used T for thinking. We go to A for understanding. Somebody to tell me, what is the name of this fraction? Very good. That is an eighth. We go to question number 32. Question number 32, that is where we are. That is where we are. We are asked, Peter, somebody called Peter, and 960 cows, 350 died. How many cows remained? Classifies using our formula, that is router, R for reading. Let's all of us read. Peter had 960 cows. 350 died. How many cows remained? T for thinking. But just before we go to thinking, we must understand how many cows had this person before? 960, very good. Okay, how many died? 350, very good. how many cows remained? What are we supposed to do? That is T for thinking. We subtract. Very good. That is 960 minus 350. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 6 minus 5. It is 6 minus 5. It is 1. 9 minus 3. It is 6. So the animals or the cows that remained, for us to give the answer confidently, 600 and what? 10. We go to question number 33. Question number 33. That is where we are. Number 33. Fill in the gap. Fill the gap. It rings 4/8. It's equals. This is a box with a question mark over 24. Class 5s are very simple sum. Remember I told you that mathematics subject you can get 100% so easily when you use the formula rooter. Now, 4/8 to become 24, what have they done? To 8 to give us 24. Very good. I clap to that group. That is times 8 times 3 will give us 24. Now they have multiplied times what? 3. 8 times 3. They have multiplied to give them 24. Now what is going to be done here so that we can have another answer there? If you multiply the denominator by another number, you need also to multiply the numerator by that same number. If you multiply the denominator by a number, a certain number, you need also to multiply the numerator with the same number you have multiplied in the denominator. So now, 8 times 3 equals 24. So this one means times again what? The same 3. 4 times 3, which is going to give you 12. So our answer to this box, it is 12. 12. Question number 34, that is where we are. You are told, find the sum. Find the sum of 6,690 and 2,200 using our formula class 5, that is rooter. R for reading. Let's read. Find the sum of 6,690 and 2,200. U for thinking. U for understanding. T for thinking. U for understanding. Sum. What do we mean by sum? Putting together. Very good. T for thinking. Now, you must align all these numbers in their correct place value. Now, so that is, you add 0 plus 0 equals 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 again is 8. Somebody to read this number in ones. In ones. In ones. Very good. That is 8,890. Number 35. You are told which of the following number is not a divisor of 72? Which of the following numbers is not a divisor of 72? Which of the following numbers is not a divisor of 72? 2. We go to understanding. We go to understanding. U for understanding. Using our formula that is rooter. Okay. We have A as 12. B, they have recorded as 6. C as 15. D for 9. Now, you need to think what you are supposed to do. You must divide 72 divided by 12. You divide again 72 divided by 6. You divide 72 by 15. Lastly, you divide 72 by 9. Now, let's see. 12 will go how many times to 72? Yes? Very good. 6 because of 72. So that one qualifies to be a divisor. 6 divided by 72. 1 because of 6 minus. You drop this 2. 6 times what equals 12? 2 because of 12. So it is also a divisor. We go to 15. 15 times 4 equals, very good, 60. What is 15 times 5? 75. So this one, it is 4 because of 60, remainder 12. How many times will 15 go to 12? It can't. So that one is recurring. 9 times what equals 72? 8. Very good. Because of 72. So this one is a divisor. Which one is not? 15. 15. We go to question number 36. Number 36, that is where we are, class 5s. Question number 36. You are told 2 hours equals dash minutes. Using our formula, that is rooter. R for reading. Let's all of us read. Which, 2 hours equals how many minutes? U for understanding. How many minutes make 1 hour? 1 hour as how many minutes? 1 hour, it has 60 minutes. Now, what about 2 hours? Another 1 hour, which is having 60 what? Minutes. Let's see. How many minutes do they have? 1 hour plus another 1 hour. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. What are these? Are these cows and goats? No. These are minutes. 120 minutes. Question number 37. You are told to work out. To work out weeks, days. We have weeks, add days, 4 to 25 plus. Okay, using our formula, that is rooter, we are told to read, work out, understand. You start from the right hand side towards the left what? Hand side. If now when adding the days, they become 7, you cannot leave 7 on this side. But if it has not reached 7, you leave it at that point. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Has it reached 7? No. We go to the other side. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus nothing is 2. Somebody to lead this answer for us? Yes, very good. That is 25 weeks, 6 days. 25 weeks, 6 days. Question number 38. Question number 38, that is where we are. Question number 38. You are told, work out shillings, cents, 24.50 times. Now, you, for understanding, using our formula, how many cents make 1 shilling? 1 shilling has how many cents? 100. Very good. So if you multiply and divide on the side of cent, that you have gotten more than 99, you must subtract. You must subtract and take to the shillings. What is 20 times 4? 80. Very good. Have they reached 100? No. So you leave it at that point. 50 times 4. 200. Who can read this answer for us? Who can read this answer for us? Very good. That is 200 shillings, 80 cents. We go to question number 39. Question number 39. That is where we are. Question 39. Question number 39. You are told 360 liters minus 248 liters equals dash. Using our formula, that is rooter, you are supposed to know how to align those numbers according to their place value. Now, U for understanding, T for thinking. Now, you must minus 360 minus 248. Can 0 be able to minus 8? No. You just borrow 110. Now, plus 110, it becomes 10. Now, what is going to happen to 10 minus 8? What are you going to be left with? 10 minus 8? 2. Very good. 5 minus 4? 1. 3 minus 2? 1. So how many liters are you left with? 112 liters. We go to our last question. Our last question for today. Our last question for today. Question number 40. Question number 40. I bought 2 kg of flour at each shillings 120. This means each. That is 1 kilogram. Each is costing 120. What about the 2? We go to 1 kilogram of sugar. Each shillings 100. 3 kg of tea leaves. 4. 4 means you do not multiply with anything. 180. Now, so using our formula, that is rooter, class 5s, a very simple sum. I don't know what I can say because this is so simple. Yeah, you are being asked, how much money did I pay? Class 5s, you look at our formula, that is rooter. You for understanding. You understand. What are you supposed to do? Now, you are told 2 kg of flour. 2 kg times what? 120. What is 120 plus 120? 240. Very good. Now, 1 kg of sugar, 1 kg times 100. 1 times 100 is 100. 3 kg of tillies, 4 shillings. We don't multiply 4. We don't multiply 4. Now, that is 3 kg. That is direct 180. What are you supposed to do? You add 0 plus 0 plus 0. Nothing plus nothing plus nothing is nothing. 8 plus 4 is 12. Very good. 2, carry 1. You circle that number. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, I paid shillings 520. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. But just before we finish, I'd like to leave a question with you. I'd like to tell me, that is the test. The test. Which two numbers are even numbers? Which two numbers are even number? A, 42 and 57. B, 60 and 70. 60 and 70. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. I'd like you to remember our formula. Every time you do sums using the formula, Ruta, R was studying and will forever stand for reading. U will stand for understanding. T will stand for thinking. And A for answering.